you quoted Martin Luther King Jr., who dreamt of a time when, quote, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners would be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood, end of quote. You talked about how quickly things in the country then changed, including the civil rights laws over the next few years because of the civil rights movement. You added that, quote, less than a decade after Dr. King's words, that was the world that you inhabited. Dr. King hoped for a country where we would all be judged by the content of our character rather than our race. Do these quotes still reflect your views on this very important topic today?
Yes, Senator. In that speech, I talked about my background, my upbringing, the fact that my parents, when they were growing up in Miami, Florida, attended and had to attend racially segregated schools because by law, when they were young, white children and black children were not allowed to go to school together. And my reality, when I was born in 1970 and went to school in Miami, Florida, was completely different. I went to a diverse public junior high school, elementary school. And the fact that we had come that far was, to me, a testament to the hope and the promise of this country, the greatness of America, that in one generation, we could go from racially segregated schools in Florida to have me sitting here as the first Floridian ever to be nominated to the Supreme Court of the United States. So yes, Senator, that is my belief.
And I think that it's good that the country had an opportunity to hear what you just told us about your experience. Do the First Amendment free speech protections apply equally to conservative and liberal protesters?
Yes, Senator.
Okay. Do you believe the individual right to keep and bear arms is a fundamental right?
Senator, the Supreme Court has established that the individual right to keep and bear arms is a fundamental right.